I am Vivek Singh. Last class we had know about the size and the location of our country. Now we study about the longitude and the latitude and what is their importance. What is their importance? What is the importance of longitude toward our country? First, we know about which line is called longitude line and which line is called latitude line. This is a map of India. You see it. It is a longitude line and it is a latitude line. It means these vertical line is called longitude and these parallel or horizontal line is called latitude. India, you know about the Indian extent latitudes. It means these area is called latitude area and these area is called longitude area. First of all, we know about that what is the main extent of our latitudes. 8 degree and 4 minutes 4 minutes MTS, 8 degree and 4 minutes north, because you know that we are lies in northern hemisphere. We are ahead of our equator of the equator. 8 degree and 4 minutes north, this line is called a latitude line, and this is what this is 37.6 north. This is a latitude line. These line is called latitude line, and this is a longitude line. This is a part of Gujarat. This is a part of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, the longitude line, it is 97 point what 25, but it is what it is east, and it is 68.7 what west. It is a longitude line. This line is called longitude line. This is a इसको आप देशांतर रेखा भी कह सकते हैं. हिंदी में इसको देशांतर और इसको अक्षांश रेखा कहा जाता है. This is Arunachal Pradesh and this is a Gujarat. Now we study about these lines. This is a standard meridian. This is a standard meridian and this is 2.5 degree east. 2.5 degree east line. This cut the Mirzapur area of UP. These lines have a lot of importance towards calculating times, toward calculating or toward Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. GMT is a GMT. GMT is Greenwich Mean Time. It lies on London. That is a 0 degree line. This is also called prime meridian. But now we study about the longitude line. Do you know this is a 97.25 and this is a 68.79? What is the difference between these lines? The difference of these lines is 30 degree. 30 degree, approximately 30 degree. And you also know that Earth moves toward their axis. It takes 4 minutes from their 1 degree. If they moves 360 degree, it takes what? If they moves 360 degree, it takes 360 into what? 4, because it takes 1 degree to 4 minutes. So 360 degree into 4, that means 1440, and it is divided by 60. You know that it is 24 hours. Means the Earth takes their rotation on 24 hours, and that is why day and nights appears. So we know about the longitude line. First of all, we know that this is a 68.7, this is 97.725. The mean difference is 30 degree, and it takes 1 degree to 4 minutes. So 30 into 4, 120, and it is divided by 60. It takes 2 hours. It means the person who lies on Arunachal Pradesh and the person who lies on Gujarat have a mean difference between what? 2 hours. Because the degree of longitude is what? Difference between the Arunachal Pradesh and what? Gujarat. It is the importance of what? It is the importance of longitude line. My question is that why 82.5 degree east has been selected as the standard meridian of India? Why 82.5 degree east has been selected standard meridian of India? And the second question is that why there is time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? So you know about the answer that what is the answer of difference between the time Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? But my second question is that why has the 82.5 degrees been selected as the standard meridian of India? This was given by the last class. Next lectures. Okay, students. Good day. Bye.